Hey everybody, Rodney back here again today with another short video. Today we are putting on the wheels back on my 2017 Chevy Silverado here. I've got forged aluminum wheels here for the summertime. These are summer tires and wheels, and then I have the stock 35-inch wheels and tires that are on here for the winter. Winter's pretty much over here, so we're gonna switch the tires and rims back over and make her look good again. So let's get started. Alright, just for some information for you guys, I am running 2-inch wheel spacers all the way around. That's just because the stock wheels rub on the front, and so the only way to get past that is to space the wheels out. I don't really have to have them on the back, but in order to make it look the same. And you can tell right here, actually right there, there's still not a lot of room to get in there. Without the wheel spacers, it'll cut your ABS sensors wires off, so you definitely have to have them. Now if you got a deep dish wheel like these, then you don't have to have the wheel spacers. So, but mine's lifted 9 inches, and I'm running stock wheels for now, just in the winter, so I did have to have them. I am planning on getting a set of deep dish black wheels for the winter, and then just putting my regular tires that I got there on. So just a little information part for you guys. guys. So there she is, nice and dirty still, but they're all 4 on there. A lot of work, and I'm definitely not in as good a shape as I used to be. But man, she looks good. Go around and do one more final check of the lug nuts. But she's looking good. Huge difference between 35-inch tires and 37s. These are 37 by 1350 by 22s, and then the stock wheels are 20-inch wheels. Those are 35 by 1250 20-inch tires. And get her all washed up and cleaned up now, and should be ready to go. All right, probably not a whole lot of fun watching me change tires and wheels, but a little bit of content for you if you're interested. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.